Hello and welcome to another freebie giveaway from How to Webmaster. Today, get your hands on this set of free social media icon package, and this also comes with private label rights. You can use it to edit for your own, resell it, rebrand it, all for free. I'll leave the link down below to this entire package, and you also get the PowerPoint file which you can use to edit any one of these icon sets. So for example, here with the bird, Twitter bird, you can make it bigger, you can move the bird around, let's see, like that. You can also change the colors, so I can make it red, green, let's do purple, there it is. So this is very easy to edit in PowerPoint, and you can edit any one of these social media icons to your liking, customize it however you want, and you can even resell the entire package. Again, you get private label rights, and I'll leave the download link to this package down below. And that's all. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more of these awesome freebie giveaways in the future. Thanks again, and until next time, happy designing.